Today was an opportunity for our second graders and third graders to celebrate the process of designing and to get feedback from a real, authentic audience. The second graders brought in their games today, and the games were based on a problem: how can we entertain ourselves during recess times when we can't be outside? They were thinking about what will happen if it's too noisy, what will happen if it's too big, can they actually use them in the class for the rest of the year? So they had these real problems to consider. And today was an opportunity for them to get feedback from the third graders to improve their designs. And in third grade's case, they created interactive musical instruments. And they had an opportunity to get an audience to play their instruments, get some feedback, and be thinking about how they might be able to improve. What was really special to see is our third graders actually applying what they've learned also in music. They created jingles, they showed how it was done, and they even taught their audience how to produce music. From here, our students will reflect on the feedback, and they would think about the changes they would make in order to improve on their designs.